Okay, let's go. Welcome to Fuzzy Overload, where the animals are the comedic geniuses. I'm just the unhinged director, bringing you clips from around the globe that will make you laugh, or will at least brighten up your day a little bit. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, also share and comment for more clips if you think I'm doing a good job. Now let's get started.
Welcome back everyone to FOL Reacts. Today we have a special group of birds that are amazing. This is the bird edition. Hope everyone enjoys. Glad he's being fed. This little guy can fly off with a whole dog or a cat. An unusual pet, nonetheless, became one of his best friends. I love to see stuff like this. I love to see exotic birds. Emus are funny to watch. They always live life dramatically. Birds up close were very interesting to look at. Very beautiful.
This is what a night in our house looks like. It is bedtime. Oh, and did I also mention the house chicken? She's coming too. Are you guys waiting for the chicken? You're waiting for Peaches? All right, let's go. Here we go. The ducks put themselves to bed every single night like clockwork. Oh, hurry up and wait. Chicken seems to have lost her way. That's okay, Peaches. Uh-oh, there's our baby chick. Hi, Bobo. Let's do this. Everybody in your beds, please. Oh, Topsy does not like that the chick is in her bed. All right, I'll get her out. Go ahead, Tops. Topsy, what is in your mouth? And Topsy, pull yourself together, woman. Him in this butt. Peaches! Keep it up, Peaches, and we won't be having turkey for Thanksgiving. We'll be having chicken.
Here goes some more exotic birds. I could see now why bird watching is so popular.
Okay. Pegang bah.
Birds can sometimes have a comedic personality. I wonder where this expedition is going.
To Williams, it's now then some width. Shane Williams, always a buzz of excitement. Williams has scored.
Combining a duck's two favorite treats. These ducks are in heaven right now.
Say something, little bitch!
I always enjoy watching these guys' outings. They all look so happy together. An unusual friendship. I don't think we'll ever fully understand the communication between animals. It's fun to watch. I love to see them interact. I believe it's about love, peace, and harmony. Respect my time at the all-you-can-eat buffet. Wait your turn. The Blue Jays like, come on, you're holding up the line. Get what you're gonna get and go. This bird has quite the personality.
So aggressive. Hi. Hi.
That's all I have for you for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hi.